Hey guys, how you doing? So we've got a CIGMAN laser level, and I want to show this to you because it's a super nice level, and this is one of those things that I wish I would have bought years ago. Now this has got a nice manual with it, telling you all about it. It comes with 2 batteries. Comes with a little scissor lift, so you can sit this on a flat surface and precisely move this up and down. Here's your main mount right here. It is magnetic, so you can stick this to like a metal stud or anything else that's metal or ferrous. If you don't have anything like a metal stud, you can take this mount, screw it to like a wood stud or anything, and then you've got your magnetic mount right there. And of course this rotates, moves longitudinally, moves up and down vertically. So pretty good options there. A little accessory pack. It's got a little target, USB-C cord. I think I did mention it's got 2 batteries. And then here's the main level itself. Oh, can't forget the remote. You don't have to use the remote. You can do everything from the unit, or you can use the remote. So let me get a battery. We're going to get a battery plugged into this thing, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. Now, whenever this is in the off position, it also locks all the gimbals on the levels. So you can move it and nothing's going to be shaking around. When you turn it on or unlock it, now, I don't know if you can hear those or see them, but they now are free to move. And you can see how nice of a green line that paints on the surface. So one thing you might be able to notice is you've got a built-in level here. So whenever you're mounting this, on a tripod or anything, you want to get this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it needs to be within 3 or 4 degrees in order for the self-aligning lasers to level themselves. So as long as it's not flashing, you see how it's flashing? That means it's not level. Once it's level enough, then the flashing will go away and it'll paint the lines for you without the flashing. You can also turn individual lines on and off. Just so you know what's going on here. So let me get this on a tripod, and I'm going to show you how it'll paint the entire room. So if you're laying tile, pictures, anything that you want straight, one of these laser levels are definitely the way to go. It just makes life so much easier. No snapping a chalk line, using a regular level. You just set this up and bam, you go. And it'll run for hours off of a battery. So let me get a tripod. I'm going to get this mounted on the tripod, and I'm going to show you how it looks in a room. All right, guys, so I've got it mounted here on our tripod. Going to turn it on. And let's see, let's line it up with the picture. See how you got a nice straight line to go off of now. Now let's line it up to the corner of the room. See how close they got my wall. Okay, let's try the remote. So I'm going to hit horizontal. Again. Now vertical. That was one vertical line. Now that one turned off. This one turned back on. Hit it again. We got our horizontal. And you've got a dim, so depending on how bright you want the line, and I don't know if you noticed I don't know if that's picking up the flashing, but that's called pulse mode. And that's solid. So all in all, very handy laser level. And USB-C chargeable. I don't know if I showed you that or not, but got a little USB-C port right there. And as you can see, even on dark flooring, you can see the green line. So if we're laying like hardwood floors or anything that you need to keep straight, these laser levels are great for that. Anyway, CIGMAN laser level. You guys are looking at something like this, might take a look at this one. Seems to be doing good. You guys take care.